How to restore the Binance Web3 wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to restore the Binance Web3 wallet, here are the steps that you need to follow. Step 1. Open the Binance application and launch it. Then after, log in using your credentials. Next up, you'll have to navigate to the Wallets tab, which should be located at the bottom right corner, but it could be renamed as Portfolio in some of the updates. Once that is done, you can switch to the Web3 Wallet tab if it is available. If not, tap on the Binance profile on the top left corner and there you see the Web3 Wallet. Tap on it and then it will ask you to verify your identity if you have not yet done so. Now once that is done, if you previously backed up your wallet private key or recovery data, you should see an option to restore. So tap on that restore button and choose the backup location where you save the wallet key. It could be your Google Drive or such other location. Grant permissions for the app to access your Google Drive when prompted. Then select the correct backup file, follow the on-screen prompts, and you should be able to restore your wallet. However, if you haven't backed up to your wallet yet, the app might prompt you to do so. For that, you just have to follow each of the instructions and you should be good to go. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.